Welcome back. Welcome back. And today we're looking at some hair loss follicles. All right, these are inflamed follicles, and this is a before and after of some follicles that we help to regrow with the client. These are just different pictures of what the Weave Doctor is doing at the Weave Doctor's Apothecary, located in Bowie, Maryland. We offer hair restoration services, holistic. A lot of people, when they come here, they say, "Well, I've been to the dermatologist and they told me this and they told me that." At the Weave Doctor, we throw all of that out the door. We are holistic practitioners, so we do not study conventional medicine, and we do recognize the diagnosis of the other different illnesses that are out there. But when concerning hair loss, we have created specific formulas and tinctures and other treatments that have really been helping our clients. So we're not using conventional medicine. We're not using anything that is chemical really based. So we got a whole different mindset at the Weed Doctor Pop Care. Child, put your new mind on when you come into when you walk up in the door. Okay, because we don't do the regular schmegular stuff that's out there, that the dermatologist treatments. We got our own treatments that are working and that's highly effective. This is a holistic practice. I'm a holistic practitioner, and that's why I use the knowledge that I've learned over the years to create these tinctures. If you want to purchase your hair restoration sets, order now.